Finally, here it is, the best way to use dryer lint. From now on, you'll stop throwing it away and start collecting it. The lint from your dryer filter is very useful. First, prepare some empty toilet paper rolls and open the lint filter. Dryer lint is made up of tiny fibers that come off clothes during the drying process. Once you've gathered some, stuff it into the empty toilet paper rolls. You can collect these rolls over time. These soft fibers are highly flammable because they're dry and light. When packed into the rolls, they become excellent fire starters. They ignite quickly and burn strongly, helping you start a fire in any fireplace during winter. In summer, you can use them to light a grill. The lint is extremely flammable and works perfectly as kindling, while the cardboard tubes serve as convenient holders and extra fuel. This way, you save money. It's an easy and cheap way to start a fire without spending extra on store-bought starters. Place a flashlight into a large water bottle filled halfway. Use tape to attach it firmly. Make sure it's stable and secure. This setup creates a homemade light source that works perfectly when the power goes out or when you're traveling and need more soft, diffused light. Something so simple yet so effective. Give it a try next time you get the chance. Place 4 tea light candles into a muffin tray. Light all the candles, then set a pot filled with water on top and cover it with a lid. It's a brilliant way to heat water without a stove. Perfect when you don't have access to one or during a power outage. You'll be surprised how simple and effective this solution is. Every year, I cover my windows with bubble wrap. At first, my neighbors laughed at me, but once they learned the reason, they started doing it too. It turns out bubble wrap has many hidden uses, aside from being a satisfying stress reliever. If the air pockets are intact, it can significantly lower heating costs by reducing heat loss by up to 50%. All you need is a piece of bubble wrap cut to the size of your window and a spray bottle filled with water. Clean the glass, spray it with water, and press the bubble side of the wrap directly onto the wet surface. The wrap will stick on its own. No glue or tape needed. For extra security, you can tape the edges to the window frame, but it's not essential. This trick works wonders for single-pane windows, basements, attics, greenhouses, and even some double-glazed windows. It's a simple, reusable solution that doesn't lose its insulating properties. You can remove the wrap anytime and reapply it, for example, on especially cold nights. Bubble wrap insulation has been proven effective in keeping rooms warm and reducing energy bills. Gardeners often use it in greenhouses, where it can cut heat loss by 30% and raise the temperature inside by up to 2 degrees Celsius. Over time, you can collect bubble wrap from packages to use for this purpose, making it a sustainable and cost-effective way to stay warm. You might save hundreds of dollars during a single heating season with this simple trick.